Hi, Divya.
Hi.
Hi. Good evening. Discussed
About the installation in HANA.
Installation. So, how many types of installation is there? So, either you have to go for as a either you have to go for as a HDBLCM GUI base also there.
Yes.
Okay. So, next one is the HDB. GUI. Okay. So, last we are discussing this. Now you're able to see this, and you can check it whether the installation is completed or not. Okay. So, how to check it? So, you start it again. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. So now I want to make a present area. The installation is completed or not?
I checked it, so I could see an SAP logon pad on my desktop.
SAP logon is not getting. So it just is getting the confirmation. The installation is completed like that.
Okay, I didn't get that.
So you can get the different GUI is getting because you're installing the database now. That's right.
Yes.
Okay, again, please share the screen.
Sure.
Can you share the screen? I'm not able to see it. Yes. Yeah. Okay, also you can check it. Okay, only can check it, not GUI based. You can go for GUI.
Okay, sir.
I think two remote steps is open. Close everything, one thing.
Yes, I just closed the other one. But it came again. Okay. This whole thing, sir, like.
Yeah, everything you can close it.
Okay.
Now connect with the 40. Enter the IP address. Enter the username.
The user ID that we created yesterday or the normal one? So are you there?
Mute. Yeah, now let me check it. LS. Check the LS. Just go for LS. Check the folder again.
This one?
HANA soft. Fourth one. Already the green color is there. Okay. Just loading as ls. Again that CD.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Again ls. Data unit. HDB server. CD space HDB server. Server.
Yeah, got it.
/HDMLCM. HDBLCM. The file is there, na? So second LCM. So the
After this command, okay.
yeah. Now your database also there. Where is your database? Yeah, first one is database. Yes, this is done. But how are you able to log out this database? You can installing the studio. Again, go for back. Just enter the existing file system. What happened? What we doing?
Just close this.
No, not close. Don't close files. Just click on cancel. Remove that command. Why you type that red color is there? Remove that. Why are you entering that?
No, that automatically.
Okay, remove that. Just click on remove it.
It's not going.
Go for backspace.
Yes, I clicked, sir, but it's not going.
Backspace. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now I want to.
Okay. Okay.
Good is less.
Now we are downloading HANA Studio. Sir.
No, not downloading. Already is there. Same that option only there. The option is. Select the select the HDB Studio. The Linux x64. No, you can run that. These are the run filing. Last story. Just dot slash the dot.
Again dot.
No. That is not dot. Put in the comma. HDB setup. What happened? Other enable to is properly. So runtime method. Showing. Okay, now connect with remote desktop connection. Run the GUI.
The root one, sir.
Yeah, again connect. Yes, again connect.
Yes, sir.
Here also you can go for as a command based. Okay. Again go for below start. For folder. Below you have application. Is this. Select the application. And below scroll below Linux. Go for that here system tools is then go for system tool options. Terminal, take the terminal. Same thing. How is looking like the same thing is a putty. Set to second one.
Yes, sir.
It is not yours. That is not yours. Second one is here. Close that. This first one can close it. Over open.
Okay. I'll just pull this down.
Close this. Terminal close option. Yes, close it. Open. Yes. Scroll upside, upside, up. Entire scroll bar you can it is better. I'm saying you have to upload. Upload list isn't just up it.
This one, sir?
No need to up. I'm saying right the scroll button is there. No? Just click on up.
Yeah, it's not going. Oh,
No,
this
it's
one.
going.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Now we can type it again. ls.
Hmm.
ls. No need to do it. ls is connected.
Okay.
ls. Again, the out and out. Here you can copy. Control is different. This is different.
Okay.
This it's like same thing. It's Windows. So right click on paste it. Click on paste. It's done. It's not copy. Remove that file. For HANA soft, just copy. Control C. Or else you right click on and copy. Right click on and copy. Right click on copy. Pasted here. Shortcut source is not working. Enter. Platform learning.
So this. Again,
Again
LS.
ls. Yes. Restore directions.
Okay.
Checking as a HDB Studio appendix. Now we can run that file. But the file you can no need to run the file. / run that file. HDB setup. Wait, HDB is open. This is the studio installation. Same thing you're installing it at SAP the command based, now is GUI based.
Okay.
Yeah. So here installing the new the path is taken. Okay, installation path. Okay, again click on next. Not selected. Yeah. Scroll down below. You have the next option is there. Taking some time. Here only that what is the pop-up will be they will be having this next option is there.
It's gone. Yeah.
Scroll everything. Yeah, click on next option. You do that. Click on next. Below previous, next, cancel option, etc. Just click on next.
It's not highlighted. Sir. I'm trying to click on it. It's not getting select. The cancel option is highlighted.
It's already done. Wait a second.
Yeah. Okay, I clicked on the select page. Okay. Okay, so just click on next.
Yes. Okay. What are the component you're installing? See here. Second two are the second and third one is for already told that SAP HANADB 3 modules is there. What are the modules here? HANA administration, HANA development, HANA modular. Okay. So out of the first one, what the first one is presented here? The first one is replaced by administration perspective.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Second one is the
Application development.
means that is the who can access that? Who are able to access it? Second and third one is accessible by the developer. Fifth one is available to whoever can access. Modular BW guys. Okay. Yeah. Select all. Just click on next option. All are selected. Just click on next. Just click on review. What component you're installing? Installation path. Okay. Everything is perfect. Studio features. How much MB is taken? Okay. Click on install.
Okay.
A studio.
Okay. Client installer. Okay. Okay. This Equinox P2 director is a tool. Again, sir.
Sorry.
This Equinox P2 director, the last one. Is it a tool?
No, not tool. This is a Linux based. Where are you installing it? Like Linux based, OS based.
Okay. So this we are installing through GUI level.
Yeah, same thing. This is GUI level. Busted using the command. That is also now you're doing as a GM only studio only like sir. Now I'm installing in HANADB na. So how are you able to log on? Because of this only.
Okay. Yes.
So how are you able to log in any type of database? So you're installing the studio. Same thing like a GUI.
Okay. Like the front end system.
Yeah, front end too.
Okay. Yes. So what are the questions they will ask about this installation part in the certification?
Installation is not asking anything. Only for that, what are the path or how much is size? Those questions. Installation practical session is not asking. Only theoretical will be there.
Okay.
Like suppose during installation, what are the user IDs you are creating? Okay.
Yes.
So what the basis is getting, and what are the log directory, what are the log volume directories, those type of questions is asked.
Okay. Yes, sir. Got it. Do we get any kind of certification questions already?
Yeah,
Like,
I'll give that. I will give that. No issues.
sure, sir. Thank you.
It's taking some time. Before that, you can go for theoretically. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once it's done, let me know that. Okay.
Sure, sir. I'll let you know.
Okay. See, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes,
Get
sir.
out from the.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm able to see.
So yeah, now what you do? You do the probably one. What is it then? So studio installation. How we are installing the studio? See here.
Okay.
The system is hanging. Wait.
Sure. Okay.
So see here, we done the installation under your the studio installation. So how to install the SAP HANA Studio. So how many tabs? This is what we do yesterday.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. This is the GUI is command based. Okay, web GUI. These are the tools. The next one is the so advanced installation. On it, this is also like command based.
Okay.
This is also yesterday discussing. What we do then today, we're doing as a install the SAP HANA Studio. So how to install? So this is so SAP HANA Studio is available for all following platforms like Microsoft Windows, Linux, Red Hat, and Mac also is available. Okay, now so installing as a Linux machine. Again here, where is this path and what is the package location? It's showing it. usr/sap/sap Studio. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now when you're selecting what are the components is getting, so you're getting the options. The first option is for administration, second option is for modular, third option is for developer. Okay, that is taking some time. So confirming as a multi-host is nothing, but now you're doing is only single. Suppose I want to go for multi. So one is a standard, one is the master, remaining all are the slaves. The requirement is scaled configuration. So here initial host that will have the master, index one is a worker, master role. One host added, multiple hosts. So remaining are the slaves. How this configuration? Okay, at that time what we do, you can creating as one group, every group name by default. This is a single. When you have multiple hosts, you have to give the HA1 under you have the group name. HA2, you have to go for like that.
Yes.
Okay. Again, this is for multi-host. Say instance number, SID, but only host names are different. Remaining all are similar. Instance number is 01, HDB1, and this is the by default what is the user ID, SID admin. Commit to see the host 1, host 2, host 3, and see the data path and installation path, everything is common, only one. Share your directory. So HANA/data and DB1 log is common, and the host names are different. USR/SAP/DB1, DB1 is the common directory for different hosts.
Yes. Okay.
It will this, but the configuration will be the same. So computer names will be changed. Okay, again multi. So here again multi-host installation. During as a installation asking you to go for single. Previously, what we doing a single source name. When you go for multi, enter this here. Root user password, installation path. Okay, again you're adding video detail. Host 1, host 2, host 3. So out of this, which is a standard one, which is a hierarchy, we can mention one by one.
Okay, yes, sir.
You can do that, no problem. University Group, again, you can performing say HANA box, admission box. So here we have multiple hosts will be there. So how many hosts will be there? How many servers is there? You have 4 servers is there, 4 servers with the same, but shared directory is common. Suppose, okay, all are the single host. Suppose HANA's to host name is failure. What happened?
Yes.
That is shared available in shared directory. This can be accessed by the HANA
Yes.
switching, automatic switching.
Hmm.
Again, shared is stored. Why you want to go for shared is nothing but because of switching. How the data will be switching from one system to here. So host 1, computer 2, computer 3. So
Yes.
here having SAP software is awesome, but the shared directory is outside.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose anything is done, it's automatically that will show into the this particular.
Okay.
So even the data log while in computer is common. Shared the storage system.
Hmm.
That's it. Now, once it's done, then go for the post installation step. What are the post installation steps? Is the installing the license.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what are we installing now? We are installing as a SAP HANA database under host agent. You can connect it with your any system like you go for DBA cockpit performance. This is for solution. This is later. It's just configuration. Your front end. Now you're working on a back end.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Host agent. This is now. So how we can log on?
Yeah.
Okay. Again here. What are the connection details? What are the connection parameters? Once it's done, you'll be shown that once again.
Hmm.
This is the post installation. Here, first of all, you have to how to apply the license, how to check the license, where you get the license keys. So
Yes.
that we'll do.
Yeah.
So how much is completed?
It's done, sir. It's
Is there?
yeah, done.
Yeah. Can you share your screen now?
Sure. One second. Yeah.
You have to successfully installing. Okay, click on finish it.
Okay.
Okay. So now check it where it's getting the pop-up. Go
Do I
for your
have to?
test. Minimize. Just click on minimize this.
Okay. Just close. Will I close this now?
For HANA soft, yeah, the folder is in. Folder is there.
This one? Will I close this?
What is that? Why is getting? No archiving. That is not. Just click on cancel. Just click on cancel.
Do I have to minimize this?
Yeah, I can. Let me check it that your system is having that connection or not.
Okay. Thank you.
What happened? Just minimize this. Where's the remote desktop?
Now,
Let's go for the SUSE Linux only. Let's go for SUSE Linux. Go for a home directory. Home. Double click on the home directory once again. Home directory. First I was home folder is there, na?
yes,
That folder. Okay. Home folder. And desktop. SUSE Linux desktop. You have home folder is there. Double click.
yes, I have done that. Click. Now, can you see my screen here?
Yeah, I'm able to see that. No, not that. Home directory. I'm saying no. You select the recent one. Home directory. Go for a home directory. Okay. Now go for as a USR folder is there. Where is the USR folder? USR folder is not available. Again, go for applications once again. Go for below one application. So where you get is all options. One second. Places is just go for places option is there. No? Places option. Places. Below one. After application, you have the places option is there. Places.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
For my computer. Select the computer. What happened? So now here opening is the ESR folder. ESR folder. ESR/SAP/SAP. So here you're getting a studio. So where the studio here? HDB Studio. No, not that. HDB Studio. What was that? Studio is there, no? Now double click on the HDB Studio. Double click on the. How is it?
Why can't we have this option on the directly on the?
Sorry, license?
No, why can't we have this option directly on the main page? No? Like why do we have?
You have to go for Windows based. Windows based, you have to configure.
Okay. In Linux,
you have installing as Windows. No, you're installing as a Linux machine. Same thing you have to installing as this Windows based also.
Okay. If we go in Windows based, then we can find it directly on the
desktop.
Desktop. Yeah.
So he's asking place. Where you go for? Just click on browser option once again. By default, is the root directory. So you have to providing any user ID. Where is that here? HANA software directory. Go for desktop public. That's also there.
Can I click on this?
Desktop means it's taking desktop only. No problem. Just look for root to HANA Studio only. No problem. HANA Studio is taking it. Close it. Close it. Click on it.
Okay.
Seriously, what is take / HANA Studio? No?
Do I have to mention that?
Which was it? Just HANA Studio / HANA Studio. Click on OK. What happened? The black screen is getting. What happened? I'm not see that. What is the black screen is getting?
SAP HANA Studio is not responding.
Okay, click on where. Again, double click on it. Below is there. Below is launching, I think. Below one is there, no? HANA Studio.
Ah,
Open
yes.
that.
This one or this?
No, the second one. HDBLCMGUI. Now is launching. Yes. HANA Studio. So the password. Master password. Like a distant.
HANA 1234.
You can okay. That's it. Okay, yes.
Question.
Password. Give that. Their first name, right? Just providing. Password. Okay. Questions is asking questions in them. Okay, no problem. Question number 1, question number 2. Recovery purpose. Like you have to provide in Gmail. Suppose if you want to recover the Gmail, like how it,
Okay, fine. Again, the second question.
what is your first name, something like that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So here is getting a studio. So right side is in. So open the administration console. Here the prospectus is available. Click on open the administration console.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now you can add the system details. So how to add the system detail? So right side you having a left side you having a one that navigation assistance is there. Here you can now add the system. Just click on the plus symbol. Add your plus symbol. No, plus symbol is there.
Yes, okay. Yes, this one.
System.
Yes.
So enter the host name. IP address or you give the host name.
Okay, the IP
What is the
address.
host name? In Notepad, don't mention. So why host name HDB something ERP.com. So no host name is there.
Okay, yeah,
Provide the host name. Yes, you have to go for that. Open that console. Just take the host name. What is the host name? In command prompt, type the command host name. I'll open the terminal. First one. Root and @ one is there. No?
yes, yes, this one.
Type that command is CD. Go for everything. CD. Putting any CD. Just CD.
Yes, sir. CD. No, here's something.
CD. Just putting CD.
Enter.
Double tap. Enter. Just CD. It's only CD. Don't need to run. Just CD.
HANADB.
The host name. I want to know what is my host name. Enter type the host name.
HANADB.
HANADB. Provide that host. Instance number during installation, instance number provided
01.
01. Yeah, provided 01. Single container only. Yes. Click on description. Bigger important decision. DB. Folder. Write the workplace. Click on next. No need to follow. Just click on next. Means where you store this overall data. No need to browse.
Okay.
Click on next. So by default, system password. By default, what I use is system with ID schedule. Enter the password of a system user. No. System user as in system. Username is system. The password is authentication for database user. By default, what I use is the system. The password. You can't finish. Click on finish.
It said username or password is incorrect.
I think what you know, okay, click on yes, no problem. Just click on yes. Click on finish, just click on finish. What are the password you given during installation, what are the password you providing?
I think I gave capital HANA 1.
1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3. Remember that because it's showing there.
I think 1, 2, 3. 8. It asks for 8 digit.
Yes.
HANA at the rate, I think. I think at the rate we used. It was asking for.
At the rate don't use. Yeah, now it's connecting.
Okay. It might be correct.
No, it's not connected. Still is connected. That is getting the green color, then only now is green color. Yes. What is the password for system?
HANA 1, 2, 3, 4 capital H.
HANA 1, 2, 3, 4 H capital. Yeah. Now you see what the color is there? It's perfectly green. Yeah. So your data SID. What is SID? That is SID. DDB is SID. System name and the description. So by default, this the catalog folder, content folder, browsing and security. So installation and you can. Sir, now how to open? Now say you have 3 prospect uses there. What are 3 prospect here? So one is for your what we say like previously. I want to check how much license is getting. Another post installation stuff. Okay. So how much license? Again, right click on the database DBB. Just right click on the DBB. Right click on it. We have installation. Right click on. I want to check the license. Right click on the DB. Just click on select it first of all.
This one. It's not getting.
No. Right click on so right click on the DBB. Select it. Right click on it.
Yes, it's not coming.
You're not selected first of all. 0 items are selected previously. Say DDB selecting is there. No? So just click on the system. Right click on it. No, there only system. Just right click on it.
It's not coming.
It's not taking.
No.
Right click is not working. Just press the mouse point. Just click on enter button.
Okay.
No.
No, it's not working.
Let me check. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one. Now once it's done, you can check the license. That will be. So this is for installing the SAP. So what are the things we discussed till now?
How to install GUI based system.
Studio based as well as even now again I want to go for the GUI based also. So I want to installing as one more system. So how to install that? Again go for root directory, go for terminal again and say go for terminal. So I want to go for GUI based. Now it's setting.
Yeah.
Now right click on it.
Operation in progress. The other one is the web GUI based.
Yes.
This was to check the license.
Right click on go for properties. You check in the license.
Here.
You have all the connection details. Everything is available.
Yeah. It's still in progress. This also takes a long time.
The server is slow maybe.
Okay.
First time it's working like that only.
Mhm. After that, if you open the same tab, then it will be faster.
Hmm.
Okay. Second deadline. Which one is mostly used, sir, out of the three? Like we have to
Sorry.
use out of the three different installations, the process, which one is
Yes.
mostly used? Um,
LCM based, command based only. GUI is very
oh,
rare condition.
okay,
Command
okay.
based only. Because in real time you have putty only there max.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Okay,
don't have server access, you can go for putty based always.
okay, sir. In what kind of systems we use this web GUI base?
Through HTML, like you have to go for as a web GUI is based, that is a to HTML based, like Internet Explorer.
Okay.
Hmm.
The link, we have a link to log in.
Links, just that.
Okay. Taking very long.
Other than what happened, so what will be coming next class? To have installing as one more database.
Sure, sir.
Same process you can installing as a one more.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you share me that today's PPT which you were showing, like which has all these commands and all that?
Okay,
The PPT
PP.
that, yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay, sure. Just already the document. So go for Thor unit. Already have the document. Go for Thor unit showing the doc.
Okay, sir. I'll just check in that. How many questions will be there in the exam, sir, like the certification exam?
80 questions will be there.
80.
Yeah, 80.
Oh, okay. And time?
Time is 180 minutes.
Okay. 3 hours.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Slide is open, I think. Yeah. Refreshing over here.
Why is it showing this? So it's done.
Yeah. So okay, now right click on. Till is not right click on. So this is the overview. Just here. Now is getting the Scroll down below is how much RAM is there. This is the landscape. Right side you having as an overview tab, landscape, highlight, performance, volume, configure, overall details. When you implementation, when you're starting, everything is perfectly all right or not. Everything is checking one by here only. Scroll down. Now see how physical memory is there, how much you're installing. CPU utilization. Just utilization.
This one.
CPU utilization and a database reference memory.
Okay. This light pink one is the one we have installed, or the 100?
Just percentage whether it is.
Okay.
After 100%, 43% utilization is going.
Okay.
So above one is the 24 GB is there, under 24 GB. So you have to installing 11 GB is already built.
Okay. It's already used. Okay. So under processing.
We'll do one by one, all they can check it. Okay, right click on that once again. Right click on DB, right click on your DB. Navigation menu is there, right click on it. Right click on. Now go for properties. I will explain each and every tab, what are the things and each and everything later. Just take the license information.
Yeah, under processing. License.
Okay, now let's get the license. Click on license. Okay, the one below. Scroll down. So enter your hardware key. Okay. So this is your request service mapping. Enter the hardware key. Okay. System ID, installation number, system. Then click on install the license.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is where you apply this here. The requesting the new license through service marketplace, you have to providing the following information. What are the details you're providing? So hardware key you have to providing. System IDs you have to provide. What is instance you're installing? What is system number you're installing? So everything will just click on installation. Then installation is gone.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what we do, your task is, so you are installing as a one more database. Okay. Do the same configuration. No need to install HANA Studio because already is there. The database installing one more. Okay. So we'll be go for one by one. Ready tomorrow. The post installation will be go for 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.